Hello, and welcome to Story Time with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'll be reading your story today. Today's story is Margo and You by Mission Inclusion. We're going to be reading this story and using our Say and Play story kit today. Why don't you go ahead and get yours out, and we'll get started.
Margo and You. Good morning. My name is Margo, and I have a feeding tube. You may have one just like me, or you may not. What a great day it will be. How are you today? In the morning, I get out of bed. I may do it the same as you or differently, but we both get out of bed. After I get up, I get dressed. I may get dressed the same as you or differently, but we both get dressed. What are you wearing today? I then head to the kitchen for some yummy breakfast. I may eat the same way as you or differently, but we both eat. What did you eat today? After I eat, I love to go and play for a bit. My favorite hobbies are kicking my soccer ball outside and being in the backyard with my tortoise, Leyland. My favorite hobbies may be the same as yours or different, but we both have hobbies. What are your hobbies? I wonder what might come next. Maybe a snack. Maybe a nap. Maybe some schoolwork. What do you think will come next? Lunchtime. I love that my mom helps me at lunchtime. My mom may help in the same way as yours or differently, but we both get help. What is your favorite thing to eat for lunch? Nap time! Ah, what a great time to rest after a busy morning. How was your morning? Thanks for spending time with me today. The end.